Hey there, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand Shell Education for sending this over for me to give you guys a close-up look inside and to share my thoughts. I want to tell you to start off, I am a former teacher for over 2 decades in the classroom, both special education and general education, and a former homeschooling mom. So that's the perspective I'm coming at. Let's take a close-up look inside. This is a beginning workbook, and it's designed to help little ones who are building the early printing and handwriting skills little by little. They do have higher levels of this, but this is particularly the beginning edition. So why I really like the format is that it breaks practice into short, manageable lessons. Your little ones don't need to be overly stimulated with too much information at once. So it's huge with younger kids because long handwriting sessions are really not going to do anything but cause frustration. A few minutes a day, and I mean just little short bursts, is much more encouraging and helps build consistency without making it feel overwhelming. This is the kind of workbook that works well whether you are homeschooling, doing summer practice, giving your child some extra support at home, or just wanting some screen-free educational things to keep on hand for your child. I do really love the handwriting practice at this stage because it's really not just it's not focused on making neat letters. It's helping with fine motor development, pencil control, confidence, and getting kids more comfortable with putting letters on paper. If you have a beginning writer who needs extra printing practice in a gentle, structured way, this is definitely one that you're going to want to look at. If you're looking for easy to use handwriting workbooks for early learners, check this one out. And also, as I had said prior, they do have higher levels of printing. So if you're looking for something beyond beginning, be sure and check out their other editions.